Hello. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we are going to be downloading and remediating websites that are required for a Canvas course for a student. Sometimes a professor will have a website linked on their Canvas course and they will tell the students that they need them to read the document or read the article and be ready to talk about it in the next class. Well, if you're a student with a disability and you either use screen magnification or a screen reader, or if you have some sort of color blindness, some of these websites are just an absolute nightmare to try and parse and go through. So for example, this website that we have right here has lots and lots of ads over it. It has this really annoying please accept cookies onto your browser, advertisement that can get in the way, all kinds of additional links that aren't necessary for the article. And earlier, one of the cool things that I was getting was a complete and total blank out of the page that said, please sign in and create an account to actually read the article, which is all very inaccessible. That's in addition to the wave report that if I were to run this right now, says that there are 9 errors on this page. So missing alt text, bad buttons, empty links, all kinds of stuff. The workflow that we're going to be going over in this video is basically how can we make a remediated accessible document out of this web page. So here's what we're going to do. Go ahead and grab the URL, copy that, and then open up Microsoft Edge. Once you have Edge open, go ahead and open up an incognito browser. In order to do that, either press Ctrl-Shift-N or come up to the settings that are in the top right and select New in Private Window. Go ahead and paste that URL into the URL bar. And now we have the same article open up in Edge. If you look at the very top right of the URL, there is a little button called Immersive Reader. You can either click on this or you can press F9. Do either one of those, and what's going to happen is it's going to extract all of the relevant text and images from the web page into its own separate web page. So as you can see, there's no ads here, there's no banner saying please accept cookies or sign in for our newsletter. It is strictly just the article, the links, and the videos in this, which is exactly what we want. Here's what we're going to do now. Go ahead and go up to text preferences. Make sure that you have this theme for the page selected, so this black text on white background. Press Control-A. Press Control-A to copy or to select everything within the article. Copy that and then either paste it into a Microsoft Word doc. Let's open up a new document, new blank document, and either paste it into the new Word document, or if you wanted to, you can also copy and paste this into a Google Doc. Either way will work. What we're going to do now, and I'll do it both ways, is either in Google Docs or in the Microsoft Word program, we're going to remediate this page. So in Google Docs, we have Grackle. If you haven't used Grackle before, let me know and I'll share some videos with you on that. And also how to get it added to your to your browser. And then while that's running, let's also go back to the other page and then let's run the accessibility checker on here. This document is an older format. Convert. Yes. Then let's go back to the other document that we just got. And Grackle says that there are a few accessibility errors on here. Document title is required. Let's go ahead and change the name of the title to 9 Essential Social Media Guidelines for Employees. We will say, use the Google Doc name. Images should have alternate text as artifacts. Where is that located at? And we can either delete this or tag it as an artifact. Let's just go ahead and delete it, make it easy. And let's see what else. Heading should be used. Paragraphs that look like heading ones. This is a heading level 1. And let's do this. Recheck. And then let's go back to the Microsoft Word. Review auto-generated description. Picture 2. And let's go ahead and delete it from here as well. and then no accessibility issues. What we're now going to do is we're actually going to export this from the Word doc as a PDF, or actually this right here is actually an accessible document. But if we wanted to save it as a PDF as well, what we could also do is File, Save as Adobe PDF. Adobe PDF needs to save the file before continuing, sure. And then yes. And then we're going to go to Options. And we're going to make sure that in Options, Enable Accessibility in a Reflow with tagged Adobe PDF is checked off. Go ahead and click OK. And then I'm going to save this into Downloads because that's where I save everything. And let's give it a fun name. OK. And then save, and it's going to take this Word doc and export it as a PDF, and it's going to automatically tag it for us. So let's go back to the Google Doc. And let's see what kind of other issues are currently. 22 of 22 checks passed. Excellent. So now that this is all passing, let's go ahead and export the PDF. And then let's do this actually. Chrome version. Chrome version. That way we can know the differences between them. Export to PDF, sign into Grackle, progress monitor, start. And while this is going, let's see how fast it goes this time. And then let's say view. Cool. And then let's also go ahead and download this. And then now we've downloaded it, let's go ahead and open it up. And let's close out all these other ones. And File, Open, Chrome version 9. And then we are going to go ahead and run the accessibility tool on this guy. Let's go ahead and add it. Then go back, accessibility. Accessibility check, and then start checking. And as you can see, we only have 2 issues. Let's go ahead and look at the tags. That is not bad. And this will be accessible. These links will work. Excellent. And if we were to run the accessibility check on this one, you should still run a screen reader on this to make sure that everything is being read correctly and that there's nothing that is, oh, title failed. Fix. Title. This one. Okay, cool. Again, make sure that you actually do your manual check afterwards and that you tell the second person that's reviewing this to also check it with a screen reader. If I were to run the accessibility tags on this, this has been fully tagged. There's a space right there. That's not too bad. But other than that, this came out very, very well. For something like this, you want to make sure that there is good alt text for the image. Top social media sites. Oh, that is good. I think it might have actually pulled the alt text from the web page itself. Nice. And then I think there's a table on this one as well. Let's see what the list looks like. Let's go down to list. That is not bad. For something that took like 2 minutes to do, we have just fully remediated a 5-page document. This will work just as fast if this was 30 pages though. So this is how we're going to be remediating websites if there is a website required for a class. So basically what we're going to be doing now is in MeisterTask, a platform you guys all know and love by now, I'm going to basically just be putting a link to one of these websites on one of the cards. And I'm going to be saying, hey, do the same workflow for this link, and I want you to go ahead and fix it up in this way. This is a new process, and this is a new workflow. There's probably going to be a lot of things that we haven't anticipated with this. If you do run into a situation like that where you're thinking to yourself, wait, what do I do now? Like he didn't cover it in the class. You let me know right away and we will figure it out. So basically, some professors require students to read articles on a website, and sometimes those websites are inaccessible. With this workflow, basically what we're going to be doing is downloading it as a separate document and then remediating that document. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, or any additional tips or tricks or other things that I should know about for this, you let me know right away. Other than that, good luck on finals, and I will talk to you guys later.